Hello guys, it is the time for tonight's $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. However, before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, the market has actually got into the resistance zone around here, so it started a downtrend right from here, and you can see the red flag and the red arrows, and of course it has been selling since then. Okay, it is around this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, but if it breaks out below it, then it will keep on selling. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out below that support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. So guys, this is boom 500. It started an uptrend right from the support zone, and it came to an end at this resistance zone. So right from there it started a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 started an uptrend from this support zone, and it bought till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there. You can see it retesting it several times, but it was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500, and of course this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, got to the support zone, had the pullback, went back there again, still unable to break out from there. So we are expecting it to go back on buy trend right from here in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. So we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity right from there. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out right away. This is V75. V75 started a downtrend right from here, and of course it has been selling since then, and it is still selling at the moment. If it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but you will need to wait for all the necessary signals before you can start buying. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment. This might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a buy trend in case it's unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, so these are what we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here.